Hello everyone, this is Uday. I hope everyone is safe and good. Uh, so let's talk about this video. This video is a bit about ChatGPT, which is a kind of conversational AI chatbot, and it is developed by the OpenAI. So in the today's scenario, ChatGPT is being very popular because of its the ability to answer the questions which are asked by the people who are using it. So uh, we will also ask some questions. So let's see what ChatGPT is answering us. So in this tab, you can see the official. You can say the definition of ChatGPT. What is it? What it is? So the OpenAI is answering like we have trained a model called ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. So this is the basically OpenAI's definitions for ChatGPT. So I can show you the interface of the ChatGPT. So this is the interface of ChatGPT after you log in. So if you want to start, then you can go to any browser and write chat.openai.com. Then you will be prompt to a login tab where you can log in, and then uh, you can see this interface which I am showing right now. So this is the interface, and yeah, so I have made some questions which I will ask to the ChatGPT, and let's see what answer it gives us. So first question is okay. So let me open this file. So first question is, do you remember me? Because okay, so I have used ChatGPT before, and I want to ask whether it remembers me or not. So this is the first question which I will ask to the ChatGPT. So this is the question which I'm going to ask. So I'm clicking here. I'm sorry, but I'm a large language model trained by OpenAI and do not have the ability to remember previous interaction with specific individuals. As a language model, my purpose is to assist with generating human-like text based on the input as I receive. Is there anything else I can help with you? Okay, so it doesn't remember me. So forget this. Second question: data scientist versus software engineer. What to choose and why? So I included this question because I also had this question uh, when I was starting my career in my mind. So basically, I want to ask this question from ChatGPT. Let's see what it answers. So, okay, data scientist versus software engineer, what to choose and why? So, this is the answer of ChatGPT. Both data scientists and software engineers are important roles in the field of technology, and the choice between the two can depend on a variety of factors such as personal interests, skills, and career goals. Data scientists typically use their skill in statistics, mathematics, and computer science to analyze and interpret complex data sets. I hope you are seeing this window, so you can read the answers. I am also reading. So, software engineers, on the other hand, focus on designing, developing, and maintaining software systems. This may involve writing, testing code, as well as working with a team to build and deploy software applications. Okay. Choosing between the two roles can depend on the person's interest and strengths. Those who enjoy working with data and solving. Okay, so this is correct. This is correct. Absolutely. Okay, so I agree with the chat GPT. Next question: which is better, a data scientist or software developer? Okay. Okay, so which is better, a data scientist or software developer? Okay. It is difficult to say which role is better between data scientist and software developer, as both are important and valuable roles in the field of technology. The choice between the okay, so again the same answer. Okay, 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 okay. So okay, so These two paragraphs are same as we can see in this previous question, previous reply. Ultimately, both data scientists are in demand and can have fulfilling careers in the technology industry. It may be helpful to consider your personal interest and the, okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. Okay. So this is, I think, very, I mean, mature answer. Write code for decision tree algorithm. Okay. So I want to ask some technical questions also. So let's see what it gives us as answer. Here is an example of a decision tree algorithm could be implemented in Python. Okay. Okay. It is importing sklearn library. Okay. It is okay. Hmm. So basically, I mean, I can say it has been trained on a huge amount of data scientists, data science code also. Not only, I mean, software developers like Node.js, React.js, HTML, CSS. So it is based on machine learning algorithms also, which is quite obvious. Tell me about entropy in machine learning. So fifth question is tell me about entropy in machine learning. So I included this question because entropy is somewhere like it is used in some general conversation also. So wait a minute. I want to ask only tell me about entropy. Let's see what it says. Okay. In the context of information theory, okay. So you can see I just wrote tell me about entropy and it is telling me what I was thinking about the machine learning algorithms where entropy is used. So it is giving me the same answer which I was looking for. So I think it's correct also, no doubt. So sixth question is what parameters should I use while writing random forest algorithm code to make my model performance better? So let's see what it gives us as answer. Hmm. So there are several parameters that can be adjusted when implementing a random forest algorithm in order to improve the performance of the model. These parameters can include number of trees in the forest, depth of the tree, okay, the minimum number of samples, okay, the minimum sample required. Okay, satisfied, no issue. Uh, Next question: Will Chat GPT in all the programming job? So I mean, lot of people having this question in their mind. So I thought, why should not be asked to the Chat GPT only whether it will end all the programming jobs or not? So let's see what it says. It is unlikely that ChatGPT or any other NLP technology will replace all programming jobs in the near future. While ChatGPT are capable of generating human-like tests, they are not able to perform the same task as the human programmer. Programming requires a combination of technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and creativity that is not easily replaced by a machine. In addition, the process of working, writing, and debugging code often involves complex logical reasoning and decision making that is difficult for a machine to replicate. Wow, wow! This is the answer I was looking for, basically. Furthermore, the development of ChatGPT and other NLP technologies is driven by the need for better NLP capabilities, not by desire to replace human programmers. As such, it is unlikely that ChatGPT and okay, thank you ChatGPT for saving my job. Okay, so next question: How do I post a machine learning certificate on LinkedIn? This is the question which I had my in my mind In the morning, I was going to post on my LinkedIn something. So to post a machine learning survey on a LinkedIn. Okay. So so it is showing me how to add a machine learning certificate on LinkedIn. And the next question is explain quantum theory to a 5-year-old child. Let's see what it answers us. Quantum theory is a branch of physics that studies the behavior of very small particles such as atoms and subatomic particles. Okay, quite interesting. One way to explain theory to a child is to use the idea of quantum leap. This means that a particle can jump from one place to another without passing through the space in between, just like a superhero can leap over a building without touching the ground. Another way to explain quantum theory is to talk about how particles can be both waves and particle at the same time. This means that they can sometimes act like a wave, which can spread out and pass through two holes at the same time, and other times act like a particle, which has a definite location and size. Overall, quantum theory can be a difficult concept for children to understand, but using wow, how mature this the last line is. It likes someone very uh, good in quantum mechanics, quantum theory is explaining us to what is the quantum theory. So I think ChatGPT nailed it. So this time I will say ChatGPT has done very good job than the Instruct GPT. What do you think about Elon Musk? So basically, I saw this question on the internet. So many people asked, but I did not basically experience myself. So I wanted to ask this question. So let's see what it answers me. As a law learner, I do not have personal opinion and belief about specific individuals, including Elon Musk. My purpose is okay, safe, very safe, very safe. So ChatGPT is playing safe with me about Elon Musk. Okay, so the next question: why should I fear artificial intelligence? Let's see what ChatGPT is answering me. Hmm. Okay, there are many potential reasons why someone might fear artificial intelligence. One reason is that AI has potential to become more intelligent than humans, and it is not clear what would happen if a machine were able to outthink and outperforms human in many tasks. Another reason is that AI can be used for malicious purpose such as creating fake news, hacking into computer system or manipulating people's behavior. This could lead to significant harm to individual and society as well as a whole. Wow, but scary. Furthermore, the development of AI could lead to significant disruption in the job market, as machines may be able to perform many tasks that are currently done by humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment and other economic challenges. Overall, while AI has the potential to bring many benefits, it is also important to consider the potential risks and challenges that it could pose. It is important for governments, organizations, and individuals to carefully consider these issues and take steps to mitigate any potential negative impact of AI. Okay, so yeah, everyone knows this. So thank you, GPT, once again to answers like a human. Next question. And the last question is, whose side will you take in the human versus AI war? So this is the Agni Pariksha for the Chat GPT. Will it support to its creator or its basically brother, sister, ancestors, whoever? Hmm. As a large language model trained by OpenAI, I do not have the ability to take side or engage in conflicts. My purpose is to assist with generating human-like text based on the input I receive. I do not have opinions or belief, and I do not have the ability to engage in activities such as wars. I exist solely to assist users with generating text based on their input. Okay, so let's again. Okay, so I'm going to this. I'm going to ask this human versus AI war. So let's see what it answers. It is unlikely that there will be a war between human and AI in the near future. While AI has the see, you can see the word near future. It means it is not basically ignoring that there will not be any war between humans and AI, but it is saying there will not be any war in near future. While AI has the potential to become more intelligent than humans. Okay. Furthermore, the development of AI is driven by the desire to create technologies that can assist and enhance human activities. Okay, so I think hmm, this is it. We have played with ChatGPT. Uh, Overall, I think ChatGPT is all about helping humans for now at least. So it will help to the programmers, data scientists, or machine learning engineers, whoever writes code. So it will help them to write code to solve the technical problems, queries, and all. But